Again, I haven't reviewed that legislation. I don't know what the impacts of it would be. I agree with you that getting reliable sourcing that does not associate with those types of practices should be the goal of the United States.
But you can't agree that we should ban it.
Again, I haven't studied the legislation. It's hard for me.
Well, then what, I guess, let me just ask you a broader question. What steps are you taking to decouple American mineral production from slave labor then?
Slave labor is completely illegal in the United States, has been since the 19th century. And so the domestic sourcing in the United States is preferable over activities like you're describing in the Congo.